About this item: Imprint Protection Microfiber Liner prevents screen damage and prevent keyboard imprints or marks and oil transferred onto MacBook screens and computer laptop screens when the lid is closed. Designed by Muju of Denmark for MacBooks and computer laptops. Designed to prevent keyboard imprints and oil transfers onto MacBook screens. Ultra soft, lint-free, reusable, washable, non-abrasive, anti-scratch, absorbent, and washable, eco-friendly material, durable microfiber fabric, lint-free, anti-static, safe for screens, camera lens, and laptop screens. This microfiber is designed in Denmark specifically for laptops. Protection dimensions: 14 in x 9 in, 355.6 mm x 228.6 mm, fit 16 MacBook Pro, laptop 16 screens. Check your dimensions before purchase. We offer different sets to specifically fit your model and brand, available at our store. Check it out. Fit precisely to cover the keyboard and trackpad area of your 16-inch MacBook or 16 laptop screen. Most importantly, protects the camera lens or retina. Reusable and washable, durable, and last longer. Superior screen protection and cleaning, removes fingerprints, smudges, dust, grime, oil, and dirt from screens and all other smooth surfaces. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About